guys, welcome back to part 2 of this tutorial. So if you did not see part 1, I just showed you guys how to tone your hair to get this like icy color in the front, and I showed you guys how I did the ombre on this wig and what colors I used. So if you want to see that, I will link it at the end and in the description box of this video. So I did know that I wanted a blunt cut because I didn't like the length that this wig was in. So I just took my clippers and cut off the ends of this wig and just made it super blunt and super full. I love the color that this came out. So you guys, if you didn't know, I'm not really good at styling or like curling hair. I'm still learning. So my curls didn't turn out how my inspiration post did. So yeah, but it still was a bomb color and I did achieve the color. So basically I'm just prepping the hair to curl. So I'm gonna cut a few layers in the front because you know, the curls just fall better when you do have a little bit of layering. I didn't want it too choppy because I did want to wear it in a straight blunt bob after the curls fell out, or if I wanted to rewear this wig again. So I didn't go really ham in the front when it came to layering. I was just real light-handed with layering. And after I put the layers in, I am going to go in with my Ion curler. And I did get this from, I was about to say titanium, Sally's. And if Amazon have this exact curler, I will leave it down below in the description box. If not, I will leave the link to the Sally's website. And so you guys can see the actual product. I have a couple of these and I actually love how they work. So yeah, I'm just gonna curl backwards throughout this wig and just toss in some curls. Yeah, like I'm getting the hang of curling. Curling is not my forte. I'm a silk presser. Like I could really silk out some hair really good. Natural hair extensions, it doesn't matter if you want that flowy, bone straight, thin, like, you know, just effortless silky look. I'm that girl to do that, but I'm just getting the hang of curling. I've been doing, one of my friends is a beautician, and so she's been giving me like pointers on how to curl and everything like that. So I'm gonna get the hang of it. It's for me, it's the flick of the wrist. Like, you know, when it comes to curling, you got to know how to flick the wrist good, and you'll get your curls how you want them. And you curl differently to achieve different curls as well. So like I'm curling backwards, but sometimes people curl under, and that'll give you a totally different look. My inspiration post, I think the girl curled her hair underneath, and that's the reason why she had a different type of curl than I did. But yeah, so I'm just gonna go through the entire wig and do this. So after I put all the curls in there, I am going to take a wide tooth comb and just kind of comb out the curls and style it accordingly so I could go ahead and take my pictures, because I did have to take pictures and I didn't want to just leave the pins, or not the pins, but like the curls in the formation that they were in for picture purposes. So I did just go ahead and comb them out and just like, just make it look decent for some pictures, because I do like to post on Pinterest too. So I like posting my wigs and my color creations, recolor creations or my inspo color creations that I do back on Pinterest. So I'm just making the wig look cute for pictures, and then I'm going to go ahead and install this unit. Alright, you guys, so I'm going to take my liquid gold, because this is my go-to lace adhesive to use when it comes to applying my wigs, just because I interchange my wigs a lot. So I like to use this because it's not a horrible situation when it comes to cleanup. It's super easy because it's water based, and it's not like your regular Bull Hold Extreme or Bull Hold Max or Bull Hold Active. This is just water based, so if you put water on it, it's going to dissolve and you won't have a mess. And I love this. So I'm just basically going to put it on there, a thin layer, rub it thin it out, just in case if it was too thick, because you don't want it thick because it will seep through your lace, and that's what you don't want. And then I put the lace on top of it where I want it to sit, and I will blow dry it on cool, and then I'll go back to warm, and then I'll go back to cool, just to make sure that I got all the areas of it from being wet. And after my lace is secure, I am going to go in with my eyebrow razor and just cut off the excessive lace. So I did pay for the Arrogante little online course, and he was using flat irons to do the baby hairs. And let me tell you guys that this was a genius move on his part. And I had these little flat irons because I bought a pair of flat irons and these came with it, and I was like, all right, well, let me try these little flat irons because his baby hairs just became coming out bomb. So I was like, all right. And so I started doing that on like some clients that I be doing, and I did it on myself, and I love the outcome. Like, I just love it. It's so bomb. So I'm doing that, and then to lay the baby hairs down, I am using spritz. If you guys are interested in the flat irons, the tiny flat irons that I'm using, I will link, if not the same pair, a pair that's similar down below in the description box for you guys. But that's about it. Thank you, Super B Wigs, for sending me this wig to do this color tutorial. I really enjoyed this color. If you guys enjoy like color tutorials like this, or like install videos, let me know down below, or send me inspiration pictures and I could just redo them on YouTube just for, more content, because I do a lot of wig installs and color tutorials. So I wouldn't mind if you guys wanted to see how I would achieve a certain color. But until next time, bye, best friends.